So we're going to start off with some breaths, earth breaths. It's going to be 2 seconds in through the nose and exhale out through the mouth for 4 seconds. Inhale, inhale, exhale, 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 exhale. And we're going to do this for the next 3 minutes. You can break up your exhales and inhales, or you can make it a continuous inhale throughout the seconds. Just keep your rhythm. Make sure we're inhaling through our nose for 2 seconds and exhaling out our mouth for 4 seconds. discomfort that may come up, just fall into it. Fall into the stillness. Breathe into whatever discomfort you may come up with. And then watch impermanence melt it away. Impermanence. Breathe through it. Get grounded. This is your earth breath. 2 seconds in through the nose, into the belly, and exhale out through the mouth for 4 seconds, as if you're exhaling out into a free flowing river. Feel into it. As we feel into our bodies, imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet, out your legs, out your roots, out the base of your spine, going down into the earth's core, deep, deep, deep into the earth's core. Get grounded as you continue to breathe in sync, in rhythm. Grounding here, deep into the earth's core. This is your earth breath. Get in sync. Feel into your body as we harmonize with the earth, balancing out our root chakra, our sacral chakra, our solar plexus. Nice deep inhale in, squeeze mobile, squeezing our root, anus, and sex organs. Bringing that energy up, bringing up the CSF fluid up into the brain, nourishing our brain, feeding our brain. Hold it at the top, charge. As we exhale, release. Hands down on the knees in Gir Mudra. You can keep with your earth breath here, or you can go into your normal breathing. It's up to you. I'll see you back here for our next breath. Water. Fill up with water next. Water next. Satnam. Some asanas. Feel free to do some arm techniques. Anything that balances out your root chakra, like this great grounding asana here. See how it feels as you do your breathing. Same rhythm. Feel into your body. Back straight, spine straight. Lengthen at the spine. Chin tucked in slightly. Inhaling through the nose for 2 and exhaling out the mouth into your river for 4 seconds. Filling up the belly as you inhale. Be sure to visualize roots growing through the soles of your feet, grounding you here on earth, grounding out in your root chakra, picturing roots growing from the base of your spine down into the earth's core, rooted. As you breathe. Sat Nam. See you next time.